This video is all about a key part of your listings, your photos. Choosing the right photos is essential as they can greatly influence a traveler's decision to book. We'll walk you through how to select and upload the ideal images for your GetYourGuide products. Insights from customer research highlight that the most impactful photos feature authentic interactions, are high quality, aren't overly edited, and paint an accurate story about your activity. Which brings us to our first step, which is to choose a minimum of 7 to 10 colorful photos that accurately reflect the essence of your activity. Opt for images that showcase emotions and moments of discovery. Here you can see a few examples. These images are good examples of ones that can catch attention and make your experience stand out. Once you have these ready, accept the terms, and you are ready to upload. Now you can drag and drop your photos or click on Upload Photos if that's easier for you. Keep in mind that you can only upload photos in landscape format that are under 7 megabytes in size and are at least 1280 pixels wide. If they are too big or too small, you might need to resize them first. If you want to change the order of images, simply select the photo you wish to move and use the arrow buttons to adjust the position. You can also delete them by clicking on the Delete button under each photo. Remember, good photos are key to marketing your experiences and can help boost bookings. So start now by choosing imagery that is engaging and highlights the authenticity of your experiences. For any questions not answered in this video series, remember you can find additional resources at supply.getyourguide.support.